Vinson. I've been working the last 2 days on 2 different ways to generate a passive income, and it's still in the process. And I got to thinking, why would anybody want to start a website or start marketing? So I decided to talk today about the top 10 reasons to start a website. So first, like and subscribe and comment to my channel. If you've ever considered having your own website but you don't have one yet, then I suggest you pursue that thought immediately. Here's 10 reasons to start a website. Owning your own website is easier than ever, and it's one of the most valuable things you could own. You don't even need to have a product to sell or own a business. You don't have to be famous. In fact, you're probably just a regular person with a normal life and have a Facebook account. So if you have a Facebook account, then why would you need a website? Actually, the question should be, why wouldn't you have a website? So are you a creative individual or a person who has a lot to say? Then you seriously need to own your own website. And I'm not talking about just Facebook or an online journal. You got to have your own website or blog that you own yourself. Because every time you publish something on your website, you're building your portfolio, which is getting indexed in search engines like Google for people to see. And you own it. The difference between your own website and using, number one, it's your online virtual property. The moment you get your own domain name, you have secured an online virtual address that nobody can take. It's like being able to choose your own home address and keeping that address for as long as you want. And no matter where you move, people will always find your home because of your address. Now, having your own website is like owning a piece of real estate, only a lot cheaper. Whatever you decide to build on this real estate is up to you. And you could even sell things. And you could even sell this piece of virtual land or keep it and make money. Having a website is a gold mine, and not everyone knows where to dig. Number two, we are all going online. Let's face it, every single thing is online now. Everything. You want a movie, you stream it. You want some lunch, you get it delivered to you directly. You want some lunch, you get it delivered to you directly by purchasing it online. You want a spouse, bam, an online love. It's all online. If you sell anything but aren't doing business online and have If you sell anything but aren't doing your business online or have your own website, then you're going to get wiped out by your competitors. I guarantee it. If you own a business or have a product to sell, you better get online now. Number three, global reach and beyond even. If you want to reach out to many people, you must go online. You need to expand your business. Even if you're just a local business, you'd be surprised at how many people are willing to travel across the world to get what you have. Or better yet, if you sell your products online, you have the potential to reach out to people who never knew you existed. If you want to grow your business, you must expand online. Your website never sleeps. You could be on vacation, taking a nap, spending time with your loved ones, or traveling across the world, but your website will never sleep. If you set things up correctly, you could have a money-generating website that could make you massive amounts of money. It could make you massive amounts of passive income all the time, every time. You could create a virtual product that is downloaded, and your online business could be making money while you sleep. You could create a virtual product that is downloadable, and your online business could be making money while you sleep. You can't do that with your physical store, even if you kept it open 24/7. People sleep, but your online web store will always be awake and serving people as far as across the globe who are wide awake, buying things and searching online. Number five, an online portfolio. Are you a creative individual or a person who has a lot to say? Then you seriously need to own your own website. I'm not talking about just having a Facebook or online journal. You must have your own website or blog that you own yourself. Because every time you publish something on your website, you are building your portfolio, which is getting indexed in search engines like Google, all for people to see. And you own it. The difference between your own website and using free services like Facebook is that at any moment you could lose all your hard work because you're using their free services. Number 6, are you adding value to the world? The advantages of the internet is the ability for people to learn without any boundaries. Back in the day, you just had the people around you in your local library. You couldn't Google how to change your car battery, let alone do it on the fly like you can now. Owning your own website will empower you to add value to the world by adding useful content that will either help others, entertain them, or empower them to do something. In return, you can learn from others who do the same. That's why you need a website. Number 7, it's dirt cheap to make a website. Basically, you can own a website on the fly right now within minutes if you really want to, for cheap. You just need to purchase a domain name for a few bucks and find a place to host your website. That's really all you need to buy. If you need help with that, leave me a message in the comments, okay? I'll help you. Share with others your story. You can use your website to document your life and share with people what you've been through or are going through. You'd be surprised at how many people you could reach out to and touch just by telling a story. People love to read stories, especially if it's relevant to them. Owning your own website can give you the opportunity to meet others just like you. Number 9, keeping up with the next generation. Truth be known, we're all getting older by the second. Our kids, or kids in general, are moving at the speed of light and starting to play with the iPad at the age of 0. Heck, there's even kids making apps and mobile games who still pee in the bed. Having your own website will allow you to utilize technology and allow you to keep up with everyone else. Number 10, this is my passion. I've been involved in this field since 2016 and I've seen a lot. I really haven't understood what the web meant till lately, and that's why I'm here to spread the message. If you don't want a website, that's a different story. But if you're not sure or have thought about it but just never made the move, I suggest you try it out. I'm here to help you. Seriously, that is what I do. This is what I am. I'm willing to help you. Just leave me a comment in the section below and we can start working on your knowledge of the World Wide Web. Hopefully this helped you out and you can rest easy knowing that this is the right thing to do. Once again, like, subscribe, and comment. Have a great day.